Imagine waking up one morning to find that your bank has shut down. Your house is worth half of what it was yesterday. And your job? Gone. This wasn't just a bad dream. It was reality for millions during the 2008 financial crisis. But how did the world's strongest economy crumble almost overnight? Let's rewind. The early 2000s felt like an economic gold rush. Banks were practically begging people to take out home loans. No savings, no steady income, no problem. These risky loans, called subprime mortgages, were handed out to anyone who wanted a piece of the American dream. And as home prices skyrocketed, Wall Street saw an opportunity. These risky loans were bundled into mortgage backed securities, complex investments that made everyone from banks to pension funds believe they were sitting on a gold mine. The more loans they sold, the more money they made. It was a house of cards just waiting to collapse. Then, in 2006, cracks started to show. Home prices stopped rising. Homeowners who had taken out massive loans suddenly realized they couldn't afford their payments. Foreclosures spread like wildfire, and the so-called safe investments turned into ticking time bombs. Panic set in. Lehman Brothers, one of Wall Street's giants, collapsed overnight. The stock market plummeted. Trillions of dollars vanished into thin air. Ordinary people lost their jobs, their savings, and their homes. The entire financial system was in free fall. The government scrambled to stop the bleeding. A $700 billion bailout was rushed through to keep the biggest banks from crumbling completely. Interest rates were slashed to zero. But for many, it was too little too late. The damage was already done. In the years that followed, new laws like the Dodd-Frank Act tried to rein in Wall Street's worst excesses. But has anything really changed? Some say we've learned our lesson. Others warned that the same reckless greed is creeping back into the system. So could it happen again? Maybe. Maybe not. But one thing is certain, those who forget history are doomed to repeat it. What do you think? Have we truly moved on? Or is another crisis just around the corner? Let's talk in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest financial disasters